Zhuangshan Village in North China's Shanxi province was jointly recognized as the first zero-carbon energy demonstration village in China earlier this week by the United Nations Development Program, the Chinese Ministry of Agriculture and Rural Affairs, and the Global Environment Facility. China has promoted renewable energy in rural areas over the years as part of its pursuit of green development. Zhuangshan Village started its zero-carbon transformation in March 2019. Now, the villagers are using solar energy in daily life instead of traditional energy sources such as coal, which has greatly reduced carbon emissions.
实际上是按照我们零碳村镇的理念，在系统的在建设、在推动，老百姓用了电以后，可以上网，可以增加收入。以后电动工具、电动三轮车也能用这个我们太阳能的这个直流电，在农村建立一个新的这个生活方式和生产方式。